To draw an object in your photo with the Sketch to Image feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app, open the required photo, tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the photo, and then tap Sketch to Image icon. If needed, you can change the pen color before drawing. To do so, tap the pen icon, and then select the desired color. Close the pen setting. Now, draw anything you want to generate in the image. And then tap Generate button to let the AI generate an image from your drawing. Once done, if you are provided with some result, you can swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon to download the selected image, or you can tap Save Copy to save the photo as a new photo and close the result page. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.